My people, how una dey? I hear say dem go soon open road make people dey comot for Naija. It is well o. We wey we dey here so nothing change. We still fit comot, we still fit go market, we still fit go buy food, go pharmacy, hospital, anything wey dey necessary sha. And some people dey comot dey walk their dog, dey jog, children dey fit play for street in front of their house o. No be say dem go far o. Outside that one, nothing wey you fit do. Me sef, I try comot as the weather don dey better. The sun don dey shine, heat don dey come small small, summer don dey enter. Na I say make I carry body go store, make I go buy small grocery o. Grocery na like make person go buy things for market wey dem go take cook. So I wear face mask o. As I wear face mask so, I reach where to climb step. No be I come dey breathe up. E be like say this face mask, e can suffocate somebody o. I no understand. Anyway, me I remove the thing o, so I go fit breathe. After, na I come wear am back. And I hear say somebody wear am inside their motor and the thing affect dem o. I no know whether the woman die o. I dey thank God sha. So I enter grocery stores, I go where dem dey sell flour. No be him, everything dem don buy am finish. E be like say dis oyinbo people na baking dem dey for so. No flour, no sugar, no icing sugar, no baking powder, no yeast. Anything sha wey you know say dem take bake, piam, e don go. Cocoa, all the thing, cocoa powder, nothing. I come say to make I try, I wan do akara. Make I go look for beans wey dem don peel. I go the aisle, I no see o. Na dis Indian lentils wey dem don peel na I use. I come mix am with chickpeas. I take do akara and the thing nice o. Una fit try am. Shebi some of una dey talk say make we experiment. So me I don experiment my own o. I don make akara with lentils and chickpeas. Una fit try am, season am as una like, make una do am. As for dis my dentist wey I tell una last week, e say im go send me something for post wey go help me. So I dey wait. Make I see wetin im wan send me and how I go use am. I go let una know. Dis I read something. You know say as I dey house so I dey read different kind things. I come read one story o, una no go believe. Some kind thing wey una, if una hear am, una go say, na wa for dis kind people o. Some kind thing wey we dey for here, we go dey wonder say, which kind people be dis? Wetin be the gist? Na goat run enter coffee shop. The people come call police say the goat don vex. Say goat dey vex. Goat no gree comot their shop. Na im police carry body with siren go shop go arrest goat. Say dem dey carry goat go fine house. I come dey wonder say, na wa for dis kind people o. Police dey go arrest goat for coffee shop. Toh, wetin I wan talk? After we hear say the goat escape from one university wey dem dey do rodeo show. So maybe goat no want make dem sell am, or goat don tire with the people. Na im goat enter town o. Say make im go look whether e wan drink coffee. I no know for goat, but e ended up in the coffee shop. Anyway, I wan go read book o. E get one exam wey I wan do. You know say for dis place so book no dey finish. Na so we go dey read. So make I just respect myself, make I go do my homework, make I go read. Till I see una next time. if una get any gist wey una wan make I gist, or any tori wey una hear wey una think say e go sweet for people to hear the thing, make una tell me make I fit gist with una. Bye.